Hey everyone, welcome back. If Roblox keeps crashing after a recent update, don't worry. There are a few easy fixes you can try, and one of them usually solves the problem in just a few minutes. The first thing I recommend is installing the Microsoft Store version of Roblox. Open the Start menu, search for Microsoft Store, launch it, then search for Roblox and install it from there. The Store version uses a different installation method than the regular Roblox launcher, so if the latest update caused compatibility issues, this version may work much better. If the problem still isn't fixed, another option is to install an earlier version of Roblox. You can find previous releases on a trusted software archive like UpToDown. Open the Roblox page, go to the older version section, and download a version that was working properly before the crashes started. Before installing either version, it's also a good idea to completely uninstall your current Roblox installation. This removes old files that could continue causing crashes even after an update. Once you've reinstalled Roblox, restart your computer and launch the game again. In many cases, this is enough to stop the crashes and get everything running normally. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.